All right, welcome back. Today we're going to cover day 2 of finding the inverse with a matrix. Short and sweet today. In addition to this page, just 2 pages of notes, so we'll get right after it. All right, so as you can see at the top, we have a system of equations, and what we're going to do is we are going to put the variable coefficients into matrix A. So this is a system of 2 equations, 2 variables. So you'll notice matrix A, I took the x and y for equation 1 and the x and y for equation 2. Put them right there. So 3, 4, 5, 3. Matrix B is your answer matrix, and that is negative 2, 4. So again, we're just taking the top equation, x and y coefficients, what the equation equals. Take the bottom equation, x and y coefficients, what it equals. You're going to use your calculator for this, so you enter these 2 matrices in, and then to find the inverse, what you do is you're going to take A inverse times B, and that will give you the answer for x and y. So I go to my matrix menu, I select A, then I hit the inverse key, so it's A to the negative first, times matrix B, hit enter, and it will give you the x and y values for your system. So for this system of equations, x is 2, y is negative 2. So you'll see some 2 by 2s. We'll also see 3 equations, 3 variables, so we'll show you that on the next page. All right, this is a word problem, and it's not untypical to see these, and we just set up our system and then again use a matrix. So we've got some skiing going on here. So Bill bought a lift ticket, rented skis, and purchased 2 hot chocolates for $57.50. We know X is the lift ticket, Y is ski rental, Z is the hot chocolates. So he got 1 lift ticket, 1 ski rental, 2 hot chocolates. There's his total. And then we have Bobby took his girlfriend on a date, so he paid for 2 lift tickets, 2 ski rentals, and 5 hot cocos. There was his total. And then we had the Slope family. They bought 6 lift tickets, 4 ski rentals, and 12 hot chocolates and spent $310. Needless to say, this would be a pain to solve by hand because we would have to eliminate the x's in these 2 equations and get these 2, get rid of x. That would give us y and z. Eliminate it again. Forget that. We just do matrices. Much easier. So we're going to take the coefficients here on x, y, and z. That's going to be matrix A. And so you can see we've got 1x, 1y, 2z for equation 1, 2x, 2y, 5z, 6x, 4y, 12z. And then we are going to multiply that by our answer matrix, in this case x, y, and z, which is right here. So there's our answers. And again, we'll take A inverse times B on the calculator, and that will give us our answer here. So $35 for the lift ticket, $17.50 for ski rental, and $2.50 for your hot cocoa. All right, so that wraps up the notes for 7.3, so you should be able to handle that day 2 worksheet, and we'll talk to you later.